Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Celebrities in fashion are normalizing ear cropping. The practice of ear cropping is legal in America and other European countries. While, in the UK, the cropped look is becoming normalized, and even glamorized, due to an increase in celebrities owning cropped dogs.
Take our lead.
Sadly, some veterinarians still see nothing wrong with mutilating a dog whose guardian is willing to pay for it. The American Veterinary Medical Association, AVMA, states that ear cropping and tail docking are not medically indicated nor of benefit to the patient. 25 June 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There are currently 9 states that specifically regulate ear cropping of dogs. Connecticut, Maryland, New Hampshire, New York and Pennsylvania all prohibit ear cropping except by a licensed veterinarian while the dog is under an anesthetic.
Take our lead.
Health benefits. Historically, ear cropping has been advocated as a health benefit for certain breeds with long, hanging ears. It has also been hypothesized that standing ears are less prone to damage and subsequent medical complications, especially in working dogs. Some claim that cropped ears enhance boxers' hearing.
Take our lead.
Cropping is exempted from animal cruelty laws as long as it's in line with accepted husbandry practices. Since the American Kennel Club requires cropping for many breeds to show, cropping may be legal if performed by licensed breeders for certain pedigrees in addition to vets. 31 March 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.